So our bike that we're gonna be building up is an S-Works Epic 8 frame. You only can get this color in a frame, so that's why we're building it up. You guys just saw the build-up videos. Here's the frame. So let's go over components. Alright guys, thanks to Bike Stop for getting this one done. Let's hit up the components now. Starting in the front, we have the Silver Tint SL wheels from St. Cross right here. One-piece carbon. They're super lateral stiff, so go around corners really fast. We got the Sid Ultimate up front right there. Sid Ultimate up front. We have a lockout right here, which will tie up to here, which does front and rear. For brakes, the stick just fell. For brakes, we have our level Ultimates, 4-piston. There's the caliber down there. And then running Pro Taper bars with a whiskey stem. We still need to drop the stem a little bit so the guard mount's not quite so up, but look at that right there. ESI grips, pod, ultimate controller. That's the front of the bike right there. Thanks to my lovely mom for holding the bike. But everything's nice and clean up here. Thanks to Mark at Bike Stop. He made sure everything was really clean up here in the front. And then here's our frame. This is why this color is so sick. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a green. It's cool. And then in the rear, we got a Sid Lux Ultimate, and it has a lockout, so there's like the lockout in the frame right there. And then in the back, we have transmission XXSL, the power meter. There's transmission right here. This thing is a beast. I mean, it's crazy. And then rear, we also have a control Silverton SL wheel, one-piece carbon. We're running Victoria tires, Victoria Mezcals, front and rear. And then we have a reverb seat post right here. And then we have, this is just like an Expert with mirror inside, so it's super comfy, super squishy. And I mean, that's the bike right there. I mean, this thing absolutely rips on trails. 180 rotor up front, 160 in the rear. But yeah. This is my dream bike build right here. Like, this is super hard to imagine that this is here. I mean, it's just crazy to have a bike this cool to ride. It weighs in at 24 pounds, 13 ounces, so super light. Now let's get that hub check. There's the hub check. Yeah. If you see me out there, make sure to come say hi. Come look at this really sick bike. Thanks to Bike Stop for getting it built up. Yoo! Final thing, this frame has SWAT storage. So whenever I said that weight, this was including cages, pedals, so that's really good. And we have a tool right down here, always on the go, ready to fix anything that happens. And then you turn this little lever right here, you take that, and then you hand it off to your mom, so it doesn't, baby. Yeah. And then you pull this out of your frame, open up, there's a Kurtz bar in here, there's maple syrup, there's stuff to fix flats. You got everything in here, all hidden within the frame. You don't ever have to worry about anyone seeing your ugly saddlebag back here. And then you just take it, and you just slide it back into the frame, and cover it back up. Just like that, and you're ready to go shred.